promise it'll be a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than when.
Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to another video today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Yadira. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials, and don't forget to become part of the butterfly family as well. Thank you for all the love you guys shown on my last video, my last makeup look. So today I already did my makeup off camera, prep the eyes and the lid. I'm gonna try today to create a look with this palette, the California Love. I have not tried this palette yet. I purchased it, but I haven't used it, so I figured, let me just figure what look I can come up with today. And it's a really pretty, beautiful palette. I just love the browns and the gold and the glitters. I just really love those types of shades, like browns and oranges, and I just love those shades. So I thought that today, I don't know what I'm gonna create yet, but I know I want to use one of these shimmers, like these gold, one of these gold colors right here. And I want to use the browns and the oranges. So let's see, maybe I'll try to use all the little colors if I can. And then I'm going to use this Makeup Professional Beauty Glaze Matte Liquid Lipstick as well. I got as a gift. So adorable. Beautiful.